The top 5 benefits of Sculptra for temporal volume restoration is one of the most subtle yet telling signs of facial aging. As we lose collagen, fat, and structural support in the temples, the upper face can begin to appear sunken or fatigued. This loss of volume not only affects contour, it can also cast shadows that make the eyes appear more tired and the overall face less youthful. In modern aesthetic medicine, we look for regenerative, collagen-stimulating treatments designed to restore natural harmony and facial balance. One of the most effective solutions for temporal volume restoration is Sculptra, a biostimulatory injectable that gradually rebuilds your skin's internal structure. Unlike traditional fillers that provide immediate volume through gels, Sculptra works by activating your body's own collagen production, creating results that evolve naturally over time. Let's explore the top 5 benefits. Number 1. Gradual, natural volume restoration. Sculptra doesn't simply fill hollow areas. It stimulates your skin to rebuild lost collagen. Over a series of sessions, new collagen fibers form within the treated area, restoring fullness gradually. This progressive improvement mirrors the natural aging process in reverse, allowing patients to appear refreshed and rejuvenated without any abrupt changes. The results are subtle, refined, and build beautifully with each session. Number 2. Long-lasting results. Unlike traditional hyaluronic acid fillers, which may last 6 to 12 months, Sculptra's effects can endure for up to 2 years or more. Because the results are based on your own collagen regeneration, the improvement tends to look and feel more authentic, and it lasts longer. Many patients appreciate this durability as it allows them to enjoy sustained correction with minimal maintenance. Number 3. Natural contour and integration. One of the hallmarks of a successful aesthetic treatment is how seamlessly it integrates with your natural anatomy. Sculptra's smooth, biocompatible formulation allows it to blend into surrounding tissues without creating sharp lines or visible edges. In the temple area, where the skin is thinner and transitions into multiple facial planes, this subtle integration is especially important. The outcome is a soft, natural contour that enhances facial harmony rather than altering it. Number 4. A non-surgical, minimal downtime approach. For many patients, surgery is neither necessary nor desirable. Sculptra offers a non-surgical alternative for temporal hollowing, requiring only a few precise injections per session. There's minimal downtime. Most patients return to normal activities immediately. Mild swelling or tenderness typically resolves within a day or two, making this an excellent option for those seeking gradual, discreet rejuvenation without interruption to their routine. Number 5. Improved skin quality and firmness. Sculptra's collagen-stimulating action does more than restore volume. As new collagen fibers form, the overlying skin becomes firmer, smoother, and more resilient. Patients often notice a visible improvement in texture, elasticity, and even hydration over time. This dual effect, structural restoration beneath the surface and improved quality above, sets Sculptra apart as both a volumizer and a regenerative treatment. Our providers tailor each Sculptra treatment to the individual, taking into account facial anatomy, age, and aesthetic goals. Our focus is on balance, subtlety, and biological harmony. By working with your body's own regenerative capacity, Sculptra allows for truly authentic rejuvenation, helping you look refreshed, confident, and naturally youthful. If you're noticing hollowing or volume loss around the temples, Sculptra offers a safe, science-backed solution that restores structure from within. Always speak with a professional about how regenerative medicine can be helpful to you.